Bounce on your ways, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go.
Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl, Leah Beth, and I'm back with another video. And I got my friend here, one of my biddies, Bree, and we're bored. Very bored. We're actually really bored. I've been in school for about 2 days, and we're just kind of bored, and it's like not even late. So I was like, let's just do her makeup for fun, and she just wants me to use all her products, so I'm not using anything of mine. I might dab into my Morphe Dare to Create palette, but everything else is gonna be hers. So
generic products, because I'm not rich.
Not really gonna talk a lot. Just don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, all that jazz, and let's get into it.
Say hey, Courtney.
Hi. Your primer? She has Milani's Prime Shield. You have what type of skin?
I have oily skin, which is why I went to go get that one.
She has mattifying primers. You already didn't know, if you do have oily skin, of course you'd want to reach for products that are matte and not really illuminating, because illuminating will just make you look even more greasy. Her foundation that she uses is Bare Minerals Bare Skin in the shade Bare Honey 15. Need a shade match. If you guys look the same, try this out. But just go straight on the face. Wow, I didn't expect it to be that wet. It's pretty wet.
It's pretty wet.
That's what he kind of got into, the technique of just like doing people's foundation and then the eye look and then concealer. I'm not sure why I started doing it that way, but I feel like the eye look always comes out cleaner if you do your concealer after your eye look, so that you can just like really clean it up. And I'm not gonna put that much because Bree already has like great skin, so you don't really need it.
Like I don't need it. It just cake up my face for no reason.
Wow, this is like a perfect match.
Really?
Yes.
You think?
It's like it's not even going anywhere. Guys, look at her face. What? That joint doesn't look like it's going anywhere. Browns look great on Bree, but I kind of want to go out the box. Handing this look. I have no previous plans. This is really the spur of the moment. We're just kind of doing anything right now. So she got this palette off Amazon, the Shanae palette. Wants me to try it out. Her brushes are from Amazon. I literally didn't even do anything.
You started laughing first.
No, I didn't. You did. It shows up. Building it up on the outside just so that we can have a smooth transition for our darker colors when we get them in there. Alright, if we actually do get a house though,
that would be lit.
That would be lit. We're gonna keep this brush just the way it is, because when we add other colors, you're gonna want to blend them back in together. Are you learning?
I forgot. I told her that I wanted her to teach me how to like use all my brushes, because
fluffy brushes like this are good for blending, and they have like nice angles to like wisher wash through your crease.
Okay.
So now short brushes like these are good for like when you want to start packing on a color, especially like a more rounded brush like this. This is like more angled, so if you're like doing the outside right here, then you would use this brush, and you'd probably go in with a dark color, but this is a good like get the color on there type of brush. These are Real Perfection number 15 brush. Feeling kind of maroon, guys, I'm not gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna try and hit this shade right here. It kind of looks lighter than it does on camera than it is in person. It's kind of pigmented. Woo! Open. Just right out past your crease. Try to blend this in with your crease. The look is never finished till you just pop on your lashes.
I became obsessed with lashes.
Like they literally transform the entire look. Like you can go from tired to baggy. Look at you.
The biggest difference.
You're a whole makeup artist. People really just be out here giving people big lashes and be like, your makeup's done. Flat brushes like this are good for packing. So when you want a lot of a color, like this is more of your lid shade because it has a lid shape to it. Like you can just go across your lid with the brush like this. We're about to do this rose goldy champagne shade right here. I know guys, it looks pink, but it's not. Press down flat in the inner corner, but not like her inner corner where highlight goes, but just the part that on the eye that I left blank. And blending it in. I'd be addicted to nudes low key. Like there's so many palettes that I have of just
colors. Like I want my face to like vibrate.
A Real Perfection brush number 20. Small brushes like this are perfect to pop right into the inner contours. Get a big shimmer. They don't have a big one. She has this small palette from Milani. It has this highlight shade right here, and I'm gonna use it in her inner corner to give a pop. So we've achieved this simple eye look with these 4 brushes. Blending, a darker pack on color, a lid color, and a crease color. Use dip brow. My hands are more coordinated with pencils, so I'm gonna use pencils. They're already slightly done, so I'm just really just gonna darken them up just a tad at the ends, just because we have a strong eye look going. Brows are really custom to people, so I feel like nobody can really teach you to do your brows. I mean, like somebody can offer you a shape or show you how not to look crazy, but like at the end of the day, brows are just really personal. Make sure you constantly combing out because you don't want to look crazy. This is what you would want to line your brows with because it's very precise and angled. And this one is what you would blend out with because it's more flat, so you could like drag the product and it wouldn't just stay where it is. So we're gonna go in with this one first. I recommended this to her the first semester we were in college. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Concealer. It's a cream.
The funny story of why you recommended this to me.
And it just so happened to match her at the time when I was like less orange, but yeah. This is in the color 005 and it's pretty light. She's like gonna go directly onto the brush on both sides. So I'm really just going right directly underneath her brows. And now we're simply just gonna blend out. And it should blend right into her foundation. Now we're about to really perfect our base.
These bags right here, like, do you see this? Do you see this? We don't want that though. No.
Going right back in with the same concealer I used on her brows. Yeah, the trick is you really don't have to go really that far out these days because really once you're blending out
these days,
because people used to go all the way out here and just did all that unnecessary, but if you really know what you're doing in your makeup, you can really just buff it in and take it as far as it needs to go out without having to actually draw it all the way out there. Really just need it in their focus areas. See how I'm taking it all the way from her corners up into her eyes, cutting the makeup, cleaning it up, and taking it all the way out to where I need it to be without using all that extra product.
Oh, I got this from the beauty supply store.
Is it flashback?
I'm not really sure what the point of setting powder is.
To set. This is Ruby Kisses actually by Kiss HD Set and Forget in the color Banana. I'm not sure what this does, so I'm not going to use a lot. I'm not really going to bake. I'm just really just going to set. Because I feel like baking is what makes people look ashy.
Or it made me look like a ghost. Like this was light and like this was light and then like everything else was dark.
This is the Real Perfection brush in number 3. And I'm going to contour with this. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to go in it really lightly because I know Milani comes through with their pigmentation. Just that. That's it. I already knew, guys. That tiny bit just showed up. And make sure we blend upward because we want to lift and chisel, not sink. That like slightly plumps the bottom lip. It like gives it like a shadow, so as if it was like fuller.
We don't need it.
Don't need it, but we like to play. Definitely like to play
to enhance this face. You
see, boys don't know the difference between lashes and no lashes. Like,
what do they? I wish we was going somewhere. Ooh. Ooh. Cause I'll be like, hey, what's good? Look at this beat face. You feel me?
Look up. I'm actually using this shade in the Milani palette under her eyes because I don't feel like putting the pink under there. I feel like that's just too much. Okay, you do your lashes because that's hard. Just try not to hit your eyes.
I can't see anything. I just know where my lashes are.
That fresh mascara.
Let's go.
Open. Whew, you're a pro. Oh, so satisfying. We're blinding. Shimmer your cheek. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. The night sky. It's just a shame we're doing this at like 12 o'clock at night. Blow. And if y'all are like makeup artists out there, never blow on your client's lashes because then that's going on their eye. And that's like germs. If there's any time you don't move at, it's right here, right now. Don't move. We applied the other lash off camera because that was taking up too much time. Finish it off because we're not really big lipstick people.
We're glossy people.
We're kind of gloss. We're on that trend. So gloss. She has
I got this from the hair salon also. It's by the same
Ruby Kisses.
Yeah, like Kiss. Wouldn't really recommend it because it's kind of like sticky. Like you'll see.
But a good one is like the rose.
Yeah,
the rose
ones that you usually see that have like the pink or the green.
More.
Yo, I wish y'all could see her face. She said, more. Like, dang, girl, how much more?
Just to, and then rub that in to give like a slight color. This is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. So we did lashes, we did eyeshadow, we did foundation, contour, concealer, all of the above. And this is the final product. She already looked great before, but you know,
I look even better now.
I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment anything you want down below, for real. Tell me if you like the look, and if you want to follow her on her Instagram, I'll leave her handle in the description box. I'm sure you'll want to.
And Twitter and Snapchat.
Yeah, I'll leave it all in the description box along with my info. And thank you guys. I love you so much. Let's get to 800 sooner than later. I love you. Bye.